Okay, this next song, whew, it's supposed to be funny, so I hope you find it humorous. I am, we'll just say, certifiably crazy. And I use the term certifiably not like people say literally these days, like, oh, the crowd was literally on fire. No, that's not the case. They were not literally on fire. But I am actually certifiably crazy, and I have been institutionalized more than once. And it's always an interesting experience, and I'm just sharing this with you right now because I believe in honesty. So yeah, this one's called Unstable, and it is an ode to my experiences in mental institutions. I gotta make sure I'm doing My suitcase is packed, my mind's been chasing abstract daydreams. They'll overreact and feed me ice cream. I'll take a stab in their lab, take a taxi cab and grab onto the label that I'm unstable. I've been a smokestack drinking cognac and it turned me into a maniac. I prefer to face the commonplace like a fable, 'cause I'm unstable. The doctors here are quacks, like Cracker Jack prizes. They ostracize while they try to civilize my brain. Call me insane behind my back. Everything goes black. I made an impact in the hospital. I'm naked, screaming, all a blur. I'm not mainstream. At least my room is spacious. I call myself tenacious, but the label is I'm unstable. I put all my stuff in a pillowcase, memories I can't erase. Put the story in a paperback, I'm a brainiac, attracted to